So good morning to all. Today discuss about the singular point from mathematical physics. So the singular point, why we have to study singular point means to study singular point mainly in second order differential equation. Second order linear differential equation. Okay. About how to write second order linear differential equation, then y double dash plus p of x y double dash plus p of x y dash plus q of x y, which is equal to 0. So this is the important formula we have to remember. Okay, remember main thing. Okay. Okay. Next, singular point layer, there should be two cases. One is ordinary point and another one is a singular point. In that singular point layer, two cases. One is a regular singular point, another one is irregular singular point. Okay, so there should be two cases, ordinary point and another one is a singular point. Singular point is further classified as two cases. One is a regular singular point, another one is a irregular singular point. Okay, to discuss one by one. Okay, first, what is meant by a ordinary? So then first one, ordinary point na enna paapom. Okay, what is meant by a ordinary point? If both p of x and q of x are analytical FO at x equal to x naught, then it is called an ordinary point. Okay, then next, second, what is meant by a singular point? Singular point if either p of x and q of x are both are not analytical, that is the important, are not analytical at x naught, then x naught is called singular point. Okay. Upon next case, then singular point le two cases. One is regular singular point. Upon regular singular point na enadhu? There should be equation if x naught is regular singular point, if the condition x minus x naught p of x and x minus x naught whole square then q of x are analytical. That is the important point. Analytical at x equal to x naught. Okay, this is the regular singular point. For next case, B irregular singular point. Up here, what is the condition? If x minus x naught p of x and x minus x naught whole square q of x are not analytical, at x equal to x naught, then x naught is called irregular singular point. Okay, so this is the most important. So ordinary point and singular point. Singular point le there should be two cases, a regular and irregular singular point. In two cases that should be analytical. What are all there? One is ordinary and another one is a regular singular point. In two cases it should be not analytical. What are all the cases? One is singular and another one is a irregular singular point. These are all the important point to remember that. Okay. So some of the problems we have to discuss. Okay. So then example problems. For example, you have to given that for the problem, determine whether x equal to 0 is an ordinary or singular point of the equation. That is x square y double dash plus x y dash plus y is equal to 0. So this is the question. Determine whether x equal to 0 is an ordinary or singular point of the equation. Ordinary less singular point given that equation. Okay, then we have to solve. What is the standard form? What is the formula? Then y double dash plus p of x y dash plus q of x y dash. First we have to change into the standard form. Before we have to check it analytical or not analytical. What is this? Is the given equation. We have to equation number 1, we go to equation number 1. So equation number 1 can be changes to equation 2 like this. How to write? Then first equation 1 is divided by x square. Then y double dash plus 1 by x square putting na male x cancel 1 by x y dash plus 1 by x square, then y is equal to 0. This is the equation number 3. So the equation can be changes to the standard form. Then before to check it should be analytical or not analytical. So what is the procedure? First we have to check the analytical. Check analytical at x equal to 0. Upon p of x equal to, this is the p of x. This is p of x from the formula. So this is the q of x. Upon p of x equal to 1 by x, then q of x equal to 1 by x square. Upon pathale it should be a not analytical. This is not analytical. Idume not analytical. Okay, at x equal to 0, at x equal to 0. So next step we have to check the regular or irregular. So singular point le two cases irukku. One is regular singular point, another one is a irregular singular point. First regular check pannu, okay. Then regular singular point. Appo regular singular point na enna, it should be analytical. Appo analytical illaya namba check pannanum. Appo then x equal to p of x, then x square q of x, which is equal to 1 1. Appo it should be a analytical. So appo what is the at the given equation at x equal to 0 is a regular singular point. Okay, so I hope you have to understand this one. So I have to give one of the problem. You have to do it and give it your solution in the comment section. Okay. So then homework problem, you can do it. Okay. If we set a regular or irregular singular point x square y double dash plus x y dash plus y is equal to 0. The given equation may be a regular or irregular ante solite you have to give your answer in the comment section. Okay, I hope this video is useful those who are preparing the examination. Okay, ரொம்ப simple. அந்த ஒரு equation கொடுத்துட்டு it should be either there should be three cases தான் இருக்கு. ஒன்னு ordinary, another one in singularல regular or irregular. We have to check it and we have to say it should be regular or irregular or ordinary point. So we are all familiar with what is meant by analytical and what is meant by a singular point. Okay, so you do it homework. If you are any difficulties, you have to give your suggestion in the comment section. We have to solve in the next classes. Okay, thank you.